coming?
Dear God, let it touch up and not come this way, dear Lord. Listen to it. Listen to it coming, Justin.
Is that it?
Okay, you can hear the thunder, you hear the wind picking up. Look at the fire. Look at the lightning down at the bottom. It must have touched. Look, it's moving north. Look at that baby.
You getting it?
Yes, I've got it all. Get in the house, get in the house. Get back. Because there'll be lightning and all kinds of stuff going all over.
You getting that on the...
Yes, I've got it on. We can even hear us talking. Look at that puppy.
Wow.
That is huge.
You can hear it.
That is huge.
Holy cow. Where's your dad at?
I don't know. You better run over and get him.
Get over here, honey. You see that?
Yeah. One,
You can hear it.
pray the Almighty that it goes north
And gets off the ground.
and gets off the ground. I was watching
Wow.
I was watching the clouds over there.
That's incredible.
This never come this close. Let's go north. Keep her going. We don't want our houses wiped out. We don't have tornado insurance. I'm going to have to get that next year.
Look at that baby. You don't know what it's going to be doing.
No, you don't know what it's going to
It's going to pick up and go down. It's going to come through that woods. It's just going to come through that woods. Dear Lord, just don't let it hit our houses or touch down. Go through the fields. Stay clear.
We better.
Go through the fields, dear Lord. Just get it going.
It's moving fast.
It's moving fast. Better get it going. You get downstairs, you get up against the west wall.
Come on, Randy, let's go! Randy! Come on, Jeff.
West wall.
Come on, Randy, get in here.
That's amazing.
Can't find the flashlight.
I seen the leaves coming down, so I know the way it went.
Flashlight, Mom.
Look at it. Look at it hitting. It's beyond the woods over there. It's about a mile away.
Yeah.
Holy cow.
You don't need a light on there.
Down the basement we did.
You just take
yeah,
it.
but I mean, we'll save your batteries.
Oh.
Going right to
Dear
the
Lord,
wall.
get it up. Get it up, Lord. Get it up. Get it off the ground, Lord.
Come on, let's go
You gotta
downstairs.
get the Almighty.
Oh, it's hitting stuff. It's on the ground. It's tearing things apart.
Oh, yeah.
What wall?
North, the west wall. The west wall.
That's right.
Let's go.
It's right through. Oh, man, it's just tearing. Look at that. It's right over whatchamajiggies. Oh, it's blowing the power lines. Man.
You got your camera.
Oh, Lord.
It's going to be going north there.
Keep it going, Lord, and let it get north. Let it get high, Lord. Get it off the ground. Get it off the ground, Lord. Oh, Lord, man. Get it off the ground. Get it off the ground. Oh, man.
Get it up. Good Lord. Take him up high.
Get it off those homes. Get it off those homes, Lord. Get it off those homes. Get it in the air. Let it just die out. It's going across the top of the woods. Go, get it out of here. Keep it high, keep it high, keep it high. Ready to run. Oh yeah. Did you see it rip those barns over there? I hope people got to safety. It got off the ground on that woods, but boy, I don't going to do damage.
Wow. Wow. It's going right toward Dagley's, isn't it?
No, it's north of them. See, it's blowing power lines. Those are blowing power lines.
Power line's out. Wow.
down by the twin churches. Oh man, right by Gibson's home. Blown away, blown away.
They've got all the family in the basement, and, you know, in a matter of 2 or 3 minutes, I go back out, and, you know, it's just like a big locomotive.
We're on Bergner Road.
USA flags ripped in half.
What's that satellite shot out there? See if there's a camera thing out there, Justin, back to your back right hand side. Zoom in on it and see what company that is.
Where's it at now?
See that white thing, the satellite dish on top?
Right behind the car right now.
Yeah.
Zoom up and see who that is.
Up. I can't see it.
Okay.
We're on the Today Show, Randy.
Oh, I would imagine, Take a picture of the signs at the moment, Justin. Those are big old signs there.
We're making sure everyone's eating good. Are we talking too loud?
Let me zoom in on this. I'm gonna try to get some. There's a flag this dangling, Randy. The USA flag is ripped in half. There's another flag like maybe 100 yards away. It's just flapping in the wind.
Oh, I see the flag on the pole flag.
This there's a house down. That's Ritchie Road right there. That's a neighbor about a mile down the road from us, right there. All this debris. There's just junk everywhere. It's about a mile down from our house right there. That house right there. That's crazy, Blake. You know how close that is to your house? And down the highway here.
Oh, look at that.
Wow. Right down here, yeah.
Oh, man. Horrible.
Let's go down here by Katie's house. Look like all that debris right in front of Katie's house.
Oh, man.
It's about a mile away from our house.
I told you, he's from there. One home, Ralph's home's gone. See how the shields are doing. Man. Horrible. I just can't believe it.
She's power on it.
Tree just wire wrapped up around the metal. Watch your feet. Everything's probably shut off. We're just.
Look at that. Is that Katie's house? There's Katie's house.
Yeah, it's okay.
Up here, Blake. This is, wow. This is unbelievable. Where?
Right there.
Look at that. Used to be a car. Used to be a car. There's Katie's mom's.
Okay. If you need any help, anything, holler.
There's Katie and them. Yeah. Oh my God. Here's Katie's house. Jeez, I'm right there. Right there used to be there used to be a garage right there. Used to be a garage right there, right in front of Mrs. Kelly's car. Totally gone. Look at all this. His wife was handicapped. He was in a wheelchair. He fell down. Stuff fell down, and supposedly the husband died. The wife's in the hospital. But just disastrous. Just look at this. Unbelievable. Just horrible. Just horrible. Just a crook.
And our music by John Cameron. And I'm Chris.
We'll drive
Join us
in.
again next time for more Adventures in Odyssey.
This is where dedicated fleet stood. The flag. Really a big mess.
Live down this road?
I believe so. National Door and Trim. Uh-oh.
Foster's.
Right across the street from National Door and Trim.
A gentleman lived in that building.
Ron Industries way in the background.
There's their flag right up front.
Yeah.
Do you see it?
Uh-huh. Ron Industries coming back across, looking right through where dedicated fleet would have been.
My mom and dad should come up to that.
There's pictures of the home just across the street from National Door and Trim. Just complete devastation. Here's the county engineer's building on the west end of Vision Park. What's left, damage. Right there's the rest. Cam Manufacturing. Cam Manufacturing is just wiped out.
Where's Cam?
Right there on the corner.
Where'd they make it?
Here's the house on the west end of the road. They had the nice brick home, the old home, the big barn. Completely wiped out. Completely wiped out. The tracks. Just south of Vision Park. The new automotive repair shop. Home's right there off the railroad track.
Flag.
Twisted that house right off the frame, just right off its foundation. Just south of the railroad track, out by Vision Park. Flag at straight line frameworking. Just incredible.
You can get this if you want. Big tree in front of you, don't run into it.
Down the road, westbound. It's where the kids were sitting in one of the cinemas.
Pray for the Lord, that guy had the...
Drive-in is gone. Oh, this is where the theater stood, right here. All gone. Cinemas. One's wiped out. The new wing that was still there. There's the sign. The neighbor's home's just west of the cinema. South side of the road, just west of the cinema.
Walk up there.
Yeah.
Go see Daddy.
Remember the house on the other side that got wiped out? Ran through here all the time?
Oh, that was a newer one right there.
Yeah, that was a newer one.
Wow, look at the back side of that.
Yep. 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 Total devastation. Total devastation.
I don't remember what this house looked like.
I think it was a newer one. I think there was two of them here. Slow up a little bit.
Nothing's there anymore. Yeah, the American flag hanging there.
Mm-hmm.
See it?
Can't see it right now, yeah.
Oh, look at all the trash and stuff out here.
Yeah.
Oh, see, you can see right there. Is that where it twisted out right through that woods there?
No, it stayed right behind it, I think.
It looks like it cleared a path there right through
No,
there.
I don't think so. I think it stayed right behind it. We'll find out when we turn the corner.
We're gonna go right.
Yeah. Foster's lives right through that woods over there. Path of the tornado. South. Yeah.
Oh, look at the house here.
Yeah. Right out by Cooper's Food. The old Rager's meat market. There's a the home's just north of Cooper Food. Yeah, I did. Emmett Cooper food. Look at the debris way out there. Whoa, this stuff. You can see the debris way out in the backwoods back there. See it? It took the whole roof of the house off and threw it. Yeah, it does.